Okay. Whenever you roll the thing. Okay. Yeah, I may go to the wall. Good evening, everyone. I'm CBS 19 Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony here on this Wednesday evening with an update on our stormy weather over the next few days. We still have the weather impact alerts going tomorrow and Friday and Saturday. Today, we got away, as expected, with just a couple of isolated thunderstorms. In fact, we had one tornado warning in Harrison County, Marion County, Cass County, and I believe maybe one other severe thunderstorm warning, and that was it. So far, so good. We still have a tornado watch until midnight. I'm a little surprised this is maybe going to survive. There are a few showers out there that have formed at this time. Certainly welcome any questions on our Facebook page, and we are also streaming on our YouTube channel and over here on CBS 19 Plus. So we welcome everybody in. You can see there are a few showers now that have popped up north of Gilmer, south of Mount Pleasant. That's a little heavier rain that is coming down. I'm not looking at seeing much. Well, there's one little lightning bolt there, so we'll keep an eye on that storm. It would have to get a lot stronger for it to become concerning in terms of severe weather. There is what we call one of our Titan indicators, which gives us an inside look at the storms, and I can just kind of check out to see if there's anything notable on looking at with that storm. In fact, right now it looks like there might be, is there any, just, let's see, any heavy rain? Maybe a little bit of hail, maybe up to the size of pennies or nickels. Probability that there is hail inside that cell now is about 100%. So look at that. No, I'm not seeing any low-level rotational shear in the storm, and we don't have any gate-to-gate shear, so that's certainly good. The max value on that storm is about 54 dBz, so it's just under severe limits. So that is that storm right now between Lone Star and Mount Pleasant up to the northwest. Again, good evening to all of you watching on our Facebook page. We'll just take a few minutes. We have some other work that we need to do before CBS 19 News at 10 o'clock, so we have to get some of that stuff done. But we just thought we'd bring you up to date on, so far, what we've seen today. And again, just one warning. It was a tornado warning, though, over in Marion and Harrison County. Have not heard of any type of damage or if there was actually a tornado, just a tornado warning. The environment was pretty rich, pretty ripe for a severe thunderstorm closer to the Louisiana border today. Still looking at this cell here. I'll throw this into motion for us, and you'll see how rapidly those showers and thunderstorms are moving off to the northeast. Pretty much in the same area where that tornado watch exists. Let me go back one graphic so we can see where that tornado watch is again. That's going to be Titus County and also Morris County, Camp, Upshur, Gregg County still included in that, Rusk County out to the east. So we got fewer than 4 hours to go in the tornado watch. Still waiting to see if the Weather Service will cancel that early. We haven't, just saw a recent uptick in the energy in that area again. All right, so there's live radar and Gladewater seeing a few showers toward Little Hope, down toward Tyler. These are rain showers. I don't see any lightning, so we can't call them a thunderstorm, just lightning at this time. I'll widen everything out. We have more showers moving from the southwest to the northeast, and this will continue. Now, overnight, we may see an uptick in the activity, but we're seeing just kind of waning showers here as we've headed through the evening hours. So I did want to show you this. This is going to be the Ohio River Valley. You're looking at Indiana. You're looking at western Kentucky, western Tennessee, southern Illinois, northeastern Arkansas has just been under the gun this evening. They're at a high risk, and there have been numerous reports of tornadoes in that area. In fact, if I stop this, and let's see if we can get any local storm. Look at that. So you can see just how many storm reports are up in the, that area is going to be across Arkansas and western Tennessee. I'll shrink this down. Just a few, there's been a lot more reports of tornadoes, eastern Illinois, or eastern Missouri, southern Illinois. If we come back here into northeast Texas. Remember yesterday I talked about an enhanced risk, but I said it was an odd enhanced risk in the fact that we could only come away with just 1 or 2 severe thunderstorms. Certainly looks like that's the way things are playing out. So we have not had much in our area at all today. That is, that's happened before here. We've had an enhanced risk with 30% chance for significant hail haven't seen much. As we pointed out yesterday, the activity was going to be in the moderate. It was at the time a moderate risk, and it became a high risk. So that's what we have happening currently. All right, still have a chance for some heavy rainfall overnight. There is a precipitation outlook for heavy rain from Gilmer to Mount Pleasant up to Texarkana, where rainfall rates still could exceed 2 to 3 inches an hour if they can get going. More likely that would occur over in southwestern Arkansas. Not done yet on the weather impact alerts for tomorrow. We still have a slight risk of severe weather. Emory, Canton, Tyler, Henderson, Longview, Shreveport, and then an enhanced risk in that area in orange. And we're going to repeat that again on Friday with the enhanced risk just up to our northeast and a slight risk surrounding that area. Saturday, there's even a risk for slight risk for severe weather. We're going to have a cold front move through here Saturday that looks a little concerning. Dew points tomorrow, quite high. We have a stationary boundary, so there could be some heavy rainfall along that boundary. We're going to be quite humid with dew points in the lower 70s, some drier air out to the west, perhaps not as sharp a line of demarcation like we had today, but a lot of energy in the atmosphere starting tomorrow morning. We're looking at moderate energy increasing to extreme energy by 6 p.m., so there's a chance for a couple more severe thunderstorms tomorrow. In fact, another chance for a spin-up tornado in the same area that we saw one today, Marion, Harrison County, maybe up into Cass County. That's Friday afternoon. We go into Friday night and into Saturday morning. The line of thunderstorms pushing through, and it's pushing out all of the energy. All right, so this is going to be a wide view of our severe weather outlook. Starting tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., scattered showers. Heaviest thunderstorms move up into the enhanced area of southwest Arkansas, northeast Arkansas into western Tennessee. That's through 5 o'clock. A couple of little weird isolated cells out there in the enhanced area of northeast Texas tomorrow afternoon, so we need to watch those. Friday morning, we've got not much going on. Friday afternoon into Friday evening, there's more widespread showers and thunderstorms for us. We could have some more severe thunderstorm warnings, more than we had today. And then Saturday, I don't know if you can see this line of showers and thunderstorms right here, but you can see that whole area that I just circled. That line moves through East Texas on Saturday morning and brings us a chance for some gusty thunderstorms with some strong winds. Let me bring in one more graphic before we wrap things up here. Again, I'm not seeing any questions, but if you have any questions about the storms incoming, let me know. We'll try to get those answered for you. Tomorrow morning at the bus stops, could be rainy. A few areas of showers and thunderstorms could pop up here. You'll see tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., there's some stronger thunderstorms entering and moving in from the DFW. They weaken, but we do have some rain showers all the way up through 3 o'clock. Then we have those curious cells out in the same area that we had today, right along the Louisiana border, almost from Bowie County down here to Panola County. So we'll keep an eye on that. Any one of those out there in that very open, energetic environment could rotate just a little bit. Then we head into Thursday evening. We're all quiet again. Friday morning, some scattered showers. Friday afternoon, some more widespread thunderstorms, and then these will increase in intensity Friday night. So we could have a stormy night for over half the area, maybe some hail involved in that, all the way up through about 8, 9 o'clock, and then those storms move away. Then we move into Saturday morning, and there's the front. So the frontal boundary right here, if you can see it, that sharp line of thunderstorms right here, and that will move from west to east across the area. 705, just west of Tyler, moves through Tyler about 8 to 9 o'clock, continues to move. Lots of thunder and lightning, heavy rain and downpours. Finally, that front begins to stall over deep East Texas, and so we have a chance to see some severe thunderstorms continuing. Our 10-day forecast, 3 more days of weather impact alerts. When we get to Sunday, we're all clear, and things will look a lot better from that standpoint. So certainly a lot better than where we've been. Okay, so that'll wrap up our update here on CBS 19 Plus and our Facebook channel. Appreciate you all checking in. If you do have any questions, please post those in the comments. We will try to get a look at those and answer those coming up. Until then, we hope to see you at CBS 19 News at 10 o'clock. That's coming up in just a few minutes. Have a great night, everyone.